Welcome to JH. Have you heard of chatsforjewelry.com? It's an online shop claiming to sell everything from earrings to gemstone pieces with designs inspired by nature. Because nothing says high fashion like wearing a literal twig on your ear. But the real question is whether this store is actually legit or just another internet mirage. We hit up Reddit to see if the pitchforks were out, but surprisingly, the internet wasn't its usual toxic self. Most commenters think the site is the real deal. They've been star sellers on Etsy since 2023, which is basically the gold star your teacher gave you in second grade, but for adults who sell shiny things. Their shipping is reportedly fast, and their customer service is actually responsive, which is a refreshing change from the usual wait 6 months for a package from Mars experience. Most buyers are reporting solid quality and careful packaging, so the feedback is overwhelmingly positive with no major red flags in sight. The website itself was created in June 2022. In internet years, that's practically ancient, and a site that's managed to survive that long usually suggests stability and a lack of criminal intent. They're also quite active on Facebook and Instagram, actually engaging with customers instead of just posting blurry photos and disappearing into the void. Seeing a brand interact with real humans almost makes you forget we're all just shouting into the digital abyss, doesn't it? Interestingly, they openly share the founder's name, Jane. It's a bold move to put a real human name on a business these days, showing a level of accountability and honesty that's almost suspicious in the era of faceless corporations. Their product range is also massive, meaning they've spent more time building this catalog than most people spend on their entire careers. Having a wide variety usually means the brand is established and actually serious about what they do. So, the big question remains. Is chatsforjewelry.com legit? Based on the evidence, it certainly seems so. They have a solid online presence, a verified history, and a transparent founder who isn't hiding in an offshore bunker. Most buyers report great experiences, fast shipping, and quality products. It looks like you can actually buy that nature-inspired necklace without losing your life savings in the process. Thanks for sticking around until the end.